Last time, we talked about how most AI is just a brain in a jar. It's got all the world's knowledge, but it's stuck. It has no way to actually do anything. But an AI agent? That is a brain with hands. It doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. It doesn't just chat, it executes. Today, I'm showing you magic moments where these agents go from cool tech to total lifesavers. Keena, you've got a 20-page project on AI in deep space. What's the move?
The move. Stare at the first page until my eyes blur with tears.
But watch this. Scan this, break it into 20-minute daily bites, and slot them into my Google Calendar. First, open up ChatGPT and click the plus icon. Upload your PDF, in this case AI in space, and make sure to switch over to agent mode. Next, go to the Apps menu and select Google Calendar. You'll need to grant ChatGPT access, which means logging into your Google account and verifying the connection. Once that's done, you'll see the agent go to work. Now keep in mind, agent mode is a bit slower than the regular model because it's doing a lot of heavy lifting behind the scenes. It starts by building a custom learning plan for you to review. Take a look at the response, and if the plan looks solid, just tell the agent to go ahead and add it to your calendar. This is the best part. You can actually watch the agent dive into your Google Calendar and build out your study sessions step by step. It's incredibly cool to see it all sync up in real time. It automatically continues until all scheduled learning sessions are completed. This perfectly illustrates the concept of an AI agent. It's an AI with hands, actively executing tasks for us.